Hello lovely you people, and today's video will be making egusi soup. Yes, this yummy looking egusi. So I have an empty pot. I'll then introduce stockfish, then meat will follow suit. I'll be using cow head, yes, isinama for the soup. So after which I'll introduce water, enough water though. Then I'll now add salt for taste. Then seasoning will follow suit, just 2 cubes. After which I will cover and allow it to steam. Then come back after some time to check on the meat. I'll check to see if the meat is good to go. Yeah, it is soft enough. I'll then return to the chief host of the day, which is Egusi. Yeah, I'll add warm water to it and stir like this. Yes, please do not use cold water. Use warm water. If you want the Egusi to have this lumpy look, yes. So you have to make it like this, and it should have this lumpy look, not just that lumpy look per se, but very attractive and delicious. So try this method if you've never tried this method, and I bet you will bite your finger while eating it. So I will then introduce it into the pot. As you can see, I'm now introducing the egusi into the pot. Do you know why I made it like this? It will have a lumpy look. It will look as if it's a ball, ball. That's why I made it like this. This is how I'm going to introduce it into the pot. Like I tell you, I always tell you, if you're not following this page, you're really missing. This page will do a lot of things. It's a page that involves a lot of things. Follow this page for different videos. I tell you, you will regret following this page. Even as I'm rinsing this plate, I'm also using warm water. Please do not use cold water. If you do, it will affect the look of the egusi. It won't be lumpy. Okay, then after that I will then introduce the next ingredients, which is palm oil. Yeah, I will then cover. Come back to check on it. Yeah, the aroma is already everywhere. Oh my god, the aroma is not everywhere. I that tells you. I will now get the next ingredients ready, which is dry fish. This fish is a bit hard, so that's why I'm adding it now. And the soup is very thick. I will have to add warm water to it. Yeah, so to soften the egusi and to allow the egusi cook more. If you don't cook the egusi very well, it will, some people they react to it. They'll begin to have stomach ache and all of that. Now I will introduce crayfish and fresh pepper. I actually blended the two together. Yes, after which I will cover and then come back after some time to see how far. And as you can see, wow, the aroma is just everywhere. I will then stir. Yeah, I will stir. Hello guys, if you are new on this page, you are welcome. If you are old on this page, you are still thank you. So at the end, after next ingredients is bitter leaf. As you can see, you can use any leaf of your choice, but I love using bitter leaf for egusi soup. I'll introduce bitter leaf. Then another leaf is uziza leaf. Yes, uziza leaf. If you combine these two leaf to your egusi, honestly, you bite your tongue. The taste is not here. It will give you different taste entirely, and it is good for your stomach. You won't start having running stomach, because a lot of people react to egusi. But when you combine bitter leaf and uziza in your egusi, one, not just the taste, but also its health benefits. Yes, guys, at this point the aroma is just everywhere. In fact, this soup is for all my followers. Yes, you see, this portion is for all my followers. Yes, and this portion is for all my returning followers, and this one is for all my intending followers. Yes, and this one is for everyone watching this video to this point. Yeah, this is for everyone. Just join me, come over, let's start dissecting this food. Yeah, guys, make sure you try this recipe, and I bet you will thank me. You will come back to say thank you so much. And if you're not following this page, honestly, you're really missing. Please do well and follow this page. Do like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Love you.